This is a just-in-time learning for creating self-grading assessments using Google Forms. To start with, start in your drive, go to New, go to More, click on Google Forms. This launches your Google Forms. The first thing to do is to go to Settings and select Quizzes and make this a quiz. I tend to always do immediately after each submission. I do not let my kids see the correct answers because I normally want them to go back and find out why they got it wrong. Save those. Next thing you do is title it. This automatically saves it and you can find it later much easier. The title is Just-in-Time Lesson. Next thing you do is start your questions. Just by clicking on the plus button here, add question. The first question I always give my students is their name. This one becomes a short answer. I always make it required. This way I don't have to go back and figure out whose student number is who. I know who got questions right or wrong. So start adding your questions. Add question. The best type of question to do is multiple choice. So the best day of the week. Multiple choice. Make it required. And you can also do your answer key. I'm going to say Sunday because I happen to love brunch day. And set your point value. 1 point. This also works very well with true and false questions. With true and false here. You can also do true or false. Answer key, yes. One point. If you want to do an open-ended question, it's more difficult because you will have to go in and actually read them. But if you're doing a math type assignment where you have a definitive answers for, that will work just fine for this. Now, when it comes time to seeing the results, I'm going to show you one I gave my kids this week. It comes through, click on responses, and it comes through and shows you your layout. Let's get to your kids' names. And it will also show you question by question what percentage of your kids got it right or wrong. This question here, obviously, more people got it wrong than got it right. I need now to go back and reteach that for them. You can also export your data into Google Sheets if you want to see it more in a spreadsheet type of form. It was helpful. The next one I will come out with will show you all the other more fun things you can do with this, including customizing your themes, importing videos and documents. Stay tuned. Thank you.